The energy of waves depends on the wind, how strong it is, how long it's been blowing, and the distance it has been blowing over. This distance is called the fetch. When waves reach shallow water, they break and rush up the beach. This is called swash. Water rolling back into the sea is called backwash. If the swash is stronger than the backwash, waves are constructive. If the backwash is stronger than the swash, waves are destructive. There are 4 types of erosion: hydraulic action, waves forcing air into gaps in rocks which break under pressure; abrasion, sand in the sea slowly wearing away the coastline; attrition, rocks crashing into each other; and solution, rocks dissolving. Longshore drift happens when the wind blows waves onto the beach at an angle. The swash carries sand on the beach at this angle. The backwash washes that sand straight back down the beach. This process of transportation zigzags material along the coast. When destructive waves hit the bottom of cliffs, they erode them. This forms a wave-cut notch which undercuts the cliff. Eventually, the cliff collapses. This process will leave behind a wave-cut platform. On coastlines where there's hard rock next to soft rock, the soft rock erodes quickly and the hard rock erodes slowly. Over time, the harder parts of the coastline jut out into the sea, and the softer parts are indented into the land. Because the headlands are sticking out into the sea, they can be eroded easily into caves, arches, stacks, and stumps. Waves force their way into cracks in the cliffs and make them bigger until a crack becomes a cave. The cave keeps eroding until it breaks through the headland, forming an arch. The arch eventually collapses, leaving a headland on one side and a stack on the other. The stack will collapse to form a stump. Hard engineering is one method we use to protect the coastline. Riprap are large boulders dumped on the coast to provide a barrier between the sea and the soft rocks behind. There are 2 types of sea walls. Both stop waves from flooding the coastline, but vertical walls get undermined and collapse. Recurved sea walls fling the energy of the wave back out to sea, preventing this problem. Gabions are metal cages filled with rocks. They're a low-cost alternative to sea walls. Hard engineering is very effective at protecting the coast, but it is expensive and it damages the natural landscape.